Have you ever bought something small for your home and then realized that you never want to go back? Because that's exactly how I feel about these dryer balls. I bought my first Friendsheep set about 2 years ago, and they've worked so well that I just ordered another set. They say that they're good for 1,000 plus loads, and my original ones are still working fine. They're just starting to show some wear, and I love them so much that I just wanted to have more on hand. So these completely replace dryer sheets for me. They help soften clothes naturally, reduce static, and they help dry my laundry faster too, which is always a bonus when you're trying to get a ton of loads done quickly. One of my favorite things about the brand is how cute their designs are. My 4-year-old loves to help with laundry because of these dryer balls, so they're definitely a win from us. What I appreciate most though is what this company stands for. They're handmade in Nepal with organic New Zealand wool, so they're a great non-toxic alternative to single-use dryer sheets. It feels so good using something that works well, creates less waste, and is safe for my family. If you do a lot of laundry and you want to cut back on dryer sheets, I highly recommend trying these. They've been such a simple switch in our home, and I will never go back.